For those who struggle with a curly, coarse, or frizzy looking beard, using a beard straightener is more effective than battling with oils and balms. They are also far more gentle on your skin than trying to blow dry your beard with a hairdryer. Even better, beard straighteners work as well on your hair as they do on your beard. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their latest price rates. The INVJOY Beard Straightener Brush is designed specifically for facial hair to avoid damaging your beard and burning your face. It is cordless, so you do not need to worry about the wires tangling. It's lightweight so that you can use our heated brush to smooth and straighten your beard wherever you are. The advanced ionic conditioning combined with an anti-static coating provides an effortless glide through the facial hair with less snagging and frizz and fast, long-lasting results. You can set the temperature best for your hair or beard with a temperature lock function. With an LED display on the straightener, you can easily adjust to the right temperature. The device auto shuts off if it is not used continuously for 30 minutes. Plus, it will also enhance your beard's and hair's natural shine, keeping your beard and hair looking healthy and smooth. The KUSCHELBÄR Pro Cordless has all the fantastic qualities of our original hair and beard straightener but without the cord. It combines the functionality of a hairbrush with the power of heat for a cord-free beard straightening experience. The safety switches on the side protect from unwanted powering of the KUSCHELBÄR. It uses a 3D heated plate design to straighten shorter hair and beard down to half an inch. Plus, the arched comb design allows for adding a bend to hair for increased styling options. On the other hand, it offers 3 settings to straighten all hair types, dense rubber coating for added heat protection. The BeardClass Premium Beard Straightener comes with shorter and closer bristles, and it works perfectly for all types of beards. This heated beard comb also offers anti-scald protection, thanks to the ceramic-coated bristles respecting your facial hair and protecting your skin, preventing accidental burns. With shorter and closer bristles, it works perfectly for all types of beards. It is a compact and lightweight straightener that follows you on your trips, travels, and daily routines. Plus, it has a 40-second fast heating while the ceramic-coated bristles protect your skin. Up next on the list, we have the Tame's Easy Glide Beard Straightener. It comes with rapid heating ceramic bristles and a 360-degree tangle-free cord combined for a fast, smooth straightening experience that works great on both beards and hair. The heated beard comb is lightweight but durable. Its anti-scald design of our straightening brush protects the skin from the heat. The handle and bristle tips stay cool while the heat from below the brush bristles straightens your beard. It offers 3 different temperature settings with temps of 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and 410 degrees Fahrenheit. The beard straightener comb is excellent for any beard type and has both safety locking and 30-minute unattended shutoff features to keep you safe. Further, this straightener is travel-friendly and includes a double-sided pearwood comb, which is convenient and great for oil distribution on the go. The Aberlite Pocket Compact Beard Straightener is explicitly designed for facial hair to avoid damaging your beard and burning your face. It has shorter, more densely packed bristles which work perfectly for short, medium, and long beards. The compact and lightweight advantages of the Aberlite Pocket, it is excellent for traveling and for straightening on the go. Its advanced ionic conditioning is combined with an anti-static coating that provides for an easy glide through facial hair with less snagging and frizz. The unique PTC heating technology always maintains consistent heat levels to deliver maximum straightening power with every pass. It has 5 heat settings that safely tame everything from smooth, thin hair to even the thickest and coarsest of hair. The Tame the Wild Beard Straightener has a metal ceramic heater, the best heater tech available for fast, even heat distribution. It comes with an ionic generator that emits rich negative ions that strengthen hair and reduce fizz while straightening your beard. This beard brush straightener's anti-scald design protects your face so you can straighten without getting burned. It also has a 30-minute auto shut-off safety feature. Plus, it comes with 12 temperature settings, ranging from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, to give you maximum choice and control. On the other hand, it uses a blow dryer, and a round brush or a non-heated comb is how quickly and efficiently you can get the job done. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.